An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I'm sure most of you must have heard about this very famous quote. Ever wondered what's the Ayurvedic version for the same? Any guesses? Well, that's what we're going to discuss through today. Hello, namaste. Myself Dr. Kirtana Vinayak, and I'm an Ayurveda consultant at Chandra Gurkal Ayurvedic Clinic, UAE. So, any guesses on what that wonderful fruit might be? Well, according to Ayurveda, we would love to say that an Amalaki a day keeps all diseases at bay. Yes, you heard me right. Amalaki in Sanskrit, Avla in Hindi, Nellikya in Malayalam, and Indian gooseberry in English. That's that wonderful potent herb for you. So in today's session, let's discuss about why we consider Amalaki to be that wonderful fruit. According to Ayurveda, a food is considered to be a balanced food when it has got shadrasas, that is Madhura Amla Lavana Katu Tikta Kashaya, which can be correlated as sweet, sour, salty, pungent, bitter and astringent flavor. That is why if you would analyze Amalaki, it is an Amla Pradhanya, that is sour predominant, having Pancharasas. So it's just missing on one flavor, and that's the salty taste. That is why if you would look into the composition of Amalaki, it is very much loaded with all the essential components an individual requires for his or her daily routine, be it in the form of carbohydrates, proteins, loads of fibers, loads of vitamin C, which is very much essential for our immunity, as evident during our COVID teachings, and also a rich source of iron, calcium and various other essential minerals. And also according to Ayurveda, Amalaki is considered to be Tridoshahara. That is, it can pacify all three doshas, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. And that is exactly why it is considered to be a Rasayana, that is a rejuvenator drug which will help in anti-aging process. And that is why almost all of the important formulations in Ayurveda for anti-aging will always have an important ingredient being Amalaki. So what is its best mode of consumption? Amalaki, like any fruit, is best when consumed in its raw form, be it as a raw whole fruit or as its juice extract. But it's a seasonal fruit, so it can very well be dried and powdered because the powdered form will have a better shelf life. If you're a Vata predominant person, this is best when consumed along with sesame oil. So if multiple joint pain or extreme dryness in your skin, this is best when consumed with sesame oil. If you are Pitta dominant person, if you have those repeated episodes of hot flushes or burning sensation, as evident in postmenopausal phase in women, we suggest Amalaki along with ghee. If you are Kapha dominant person, if you're looking forward to burning some of that stubborn fat, then Amalaki is in best combination along with honey. So yes, Amalaki is a very potent anti-inflammatory drug, one of the best anti-aging drug. It increases your immunity for sure, it increases your visual power, it helps in increasing the quality of your skin, it helps in increasing your skin texture, also enhancing your hair density, prevents premature graying of your hair, and lot of cosmetological values. But yes, it has got its own pros and cons. For some individuals, it's noted that Amalaki being a little Shita Virya, meaning it's a little cooling in nature. So some people who consume this Amalaki during the winter season, they tend to experience some phlegm formation or some other form of respiratory discomforts. That's a very selective group of people. So if you happen to have any of these symptoms, please keep it in mind. Winter is not the time for you to consume Amalaki, but you can very well consume it during the other seasons. So yes, winters are approaching, and the big question goes, when are you starting your Amalaki to keep your diseases at bay? Stay healthy, keep smiling. Jai Ayurveda.